on the heavy vehicles from June 15th midnight to June 24th. This decision was taken by the District Collector of Pune, Jitendra Duri. Right now you can see the situation on the ground tells, as we have seen now the heavy vehicles are travelling on the road, but now as District Collector Jitendra Duri has issued an order banning the entry of the heavy vehicles in the Pune city from June 15th midnight till 24th June. The order was issued under the Section 115 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, imposing a temporary ban on the entry of the heavy vehicles, oversized vehicles within the jurisdiction of Pune City Police Commissionerate. Even we have seen the heavy and oversized vehicles travelling through the Pune city to reach other cities will not be allowed to enter the city limits. Alternative routes have been designed. Like if we see, the alternative routes have been designated for such vehicles, that is Sholapur, Mumbai, Ahilyanagar, Saswat, Chakansh and Talegaon and Jejuri, and other stretches also. Vehicles that need to unload or load goods within the city and then proceed elsewhere, as well as the vehicles providing essential services. The traffic branch at least 72 hours, like the traffic even if we see, the traffic branch must give at least 72 hours in the advance and use the designated alternative route, like between the allocated time, that is around 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. itself. However, vehicles carrying essential commodities and services such as petrol, diesel, milk, agriculture produce and other essential supplies have been exempted for the restrictions also. As we have seen, this decision was taken by the District Collector of Pune, Jitendra Duri. As we have seen, the heavy vehicles will not be allowed. Even if we see, this could also enforcement, the teams will be stationed at the major entry points from today itself, and the transport operators and the truck drivers have been warned that violations will attract strict actions. If we think about this, why has Pune banned heavy vehicles? As we have seen, the district administration said that the decision was taken after a careful review of accident records and traffic patterns across the city. Officials hope the 10-day restrictions will deliver a measurable improvement in the road safety and smoother commuting experiences for the residents navigating to Pune's busiest corridors. If we think, the ban covers heavy vehicles, oversized vehicles and typically long-haul trucks, construction vehicles and carriers that would otherwise pass through the entire Pune city. The restrictions applies across the city and not just the select zones. As we have seen, this 10-day halt may also give an improvement in the city like Pune. As we have seen during the peak midnight times, we have seen there is heavy loaded trucks that comes in the city like Pune, and even we have seen many accidents also occur on the road. To just control these all, now from today June 15th midnight till June 24th, the heavy vehicles of the overload are now been banned. Now we have to see this step will make city safer or not. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.